This is Rahul Nag, and I am in the lot now, and I want you to know something very important. Sunita, I want you to know something. As you know, the snake lady, that is the Lakshmidhar, who has expired on 30th January 2015. I want to say you the incident about. On 29th of January, I came over here in the lot, and she was lying down in the laying down in the mud, and you know, Kishan was saying, Kishan was crying, holding her, said, grandma, grandma, grandma. It was very painful situation that I saw, and I said she need urgent help. As at that time I have discussed with the people, and I got that her urine system has been damaged, stopped for 2 days, and no urine was producing. And not only that, I mean that means kidneys are the kidneys are stopping to work, right? And the thing is that she did not have any food from last 2 days, so it was a very bad situation. So what happened after that, I took her to the hospital, and civil hospital, and I said to the doctor, please save her, because she got 2 kids, and the 2 kids that she take care of, and the kids do not have anyone. The doctor said, I will try my best, but very less chances that she will survive. So I said, okay, but please try it. So on 29th of January she got admitted. I said her, do not worry, everything's going to be alright. She was having the saline solution, and I said, do not worry, every single thing's going to be alright. And she said, do not bring Kishan will cry. I said, do not worry, Kishan I will not bring, you will be all okay, and you will get back to the lot. And not only that, she said she had a last wish on me. She had a last wish on me, and the last wish was she wanted to have a tobacco. She wanted to have a tobacco on her mouth, and I said, no, I cannot give you, because the doctor said not to give it to you. So I am feeling sorry that I could not give it to her, but leave it. After 30th, on 30th of January 2015, in the early morning, 5 o'clock, she expired. She died. She totally died. And when she died, from the hospital they called me. And when they called me, after they called me, I went to the hospital, and I felt very sad, very sad. And after that, what happened? Doctor said that to take the dead body and to burn it, right? And I did not have anyone. And then I somehow managed the people of the family to come over, and then I given the information to them, and they took the information, and they got the information. Now the son of the snake lady lives outer town of Tinsukia, named as Meow, and he came today. On 30th of January she died, and on 31st of January, that is today, we finally was successfully able to take the body out of the hospital and send it to the home. Please do not disturb. Okay? And the thing is that, and able to send it to the home. Send it to the home, and the peoples now are burning the body. And it is a very painful situation though, but I think her death was not a waste. After she died, her death certificate was very useful. Just because of her certificate, today all the boys in the jail who has been living for 1 month has finally got out. Yesterday, on 30th of January, 9 people total came out of the jail. And 9 people came out of the jail. 9 people came out of the jail, and I have made the guys understand that please, you got to leave the glue, you have to live very nice life. And I think they have understood me. They said, we'll go back to our life, and we will not live in the we'll not live over here. We will try our best to live a very good life. They are understanding me. thank you a lot to these people, and thank you to Lakshmi, that her death was not a waste. Just because of her, all the boys come out. And just because of her death certificate that I got from the hospital, I showed it to the magistrate and said that there is one son-in-law. Son-in-law is there out of 10 people. No, son-in-law is there, and the son-in-law have to come out, and all the 9 people take care of the old lady. There is no one to see. Then the district magistrate felt sad and said, okay, I'm leaving these people's out, bailing these people's out. So finally these peoples came out just because of her sacrifice. I mean, sacrifice it was not probably, but it is just all karma, you can say, and her death was not a waste. And hopefully the peoples will be all right, and her body is burning today, that is 31st of January. I send her peace in heaven, and now I want to give light and peace to her for 2 minutes, closing my eyes. Thank you. Now I close my eyes, and just on her death I say to her, rest in peace, and I send light and all kinds of peace and light, and wish her a very happy life over there. Thank you to Lakshmi Dhar. Thank you to her from all of my heart. Thank you. Bye bye. It's a very peaceful area right now.
Durga, I finally understand what it means to be Durga. Durga has many arms and hands and can do everything. You can go to her and ask her, and she can do it. Durga is old and wise. She gave up her youth and beauty and a lot of her time. Her life is growing short, and she has no time to waste. So listen and take care of her. Not just the children she had, but every child in the world is her child. And you don't have to be young. You just have to be. Om.